Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. The day after with Monday. Yes, it's Tuesday. May the 30th. Almost end of the month. 2023. Not so good news today because we have only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku, and in this newspaper, no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you with no puzzles. What I will do is I look in my archive with all additionals, all puzzles, and well, I found one. It's a long time ago. This one. In the evening, I will do the rest of the puzzles of the additional of Thursday, April the 20th, 2023. We have 3 puzzles left: Letter Sudoku, 2 stars Sudoku, and the tectonic with 1 star. All right. Let me start with this one. The Medium Sudoku. Number 6510. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one has a lot, 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional. Should be easier than a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Maybe this one 14 minutes. I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. 15 minutes. All right. Where's my pencil? I dropped my pencil here. All right. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number 9 in this row, the 9 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Let me see. 9. Well, cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 6. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so the row between the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. And 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay. And now. 9. Yes, I can continue with the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here, 9 in this row. So no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright, box. 9 in the first row. 9 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. About these. Oh, wait. We have a 1 in this row. The 1 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So the column between. The middle column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the last column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Again. Alright. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4, 5 and a 3. Need to think. 2, 2. Well. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in the third row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 5, okay. 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait again. Alright. How about 2 and 3. Need the 2, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Done. 3. Alright. Okay. About the 9 now. Nope. Still. Nope. 7 in this column. 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. We have 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Alright. 9 and the 2. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers in the last row are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1. The 2 is missing. So we have 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then let me see. 2 2 and a 3 3. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for them is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Here we have also 2 missing numbers in this row. The 2 and the 6, I believe. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2 then. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Well, 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. 12 minutes, told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. Is this really a medium? Well, I think it's a light one. Yeah, a light one. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I'm gonna do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 3 puzzles. In additional, not in today's newspaper, but it's a while ago, April the 20th. Yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now.